Hey gang, Poppy here. Let me do a little setup. You see this? A little itty bitty camera is supposed to attach to a drone. You see there's nothing inside. And this is just a protector to keep crap from getting at the lens. This there we go. This is what's inside the thing. And it's a tiny little circuit board and probably the smallest lithium-ion battery in the world. And here's the other side. See this? This is the micro SD card slot. It's the biggest thing other than the battery in this. Here we go. That's your camera. Can you believe that was $20? I can't. But there you see it.